munka of. After promising Gambia. Ay malundi ledi. Because ni aji atara meeting ola kabe ke sinot. O manke malot. Kunun le apota ja atara Guinea Bissau. Ako atara atemu baby president or what he call it. Ako atara wodo mu experience a dictator like Alpha Conde. Aremanta karandula adolto like Rwanda. Paul Kagame nyole amanta jare kata Alpha Conde. Ako akata karanje ala akata dictator ya karanje. Wo manke Gambia la
malo. Alhaji H so minkera jimara la député ti atelo kumara ko la mimbe denning president Barola ta Jine Conakry benga jele wati tamira president Baro futata Alpha Conde maje minkera Jine Conakry la president yi manam bare Alhaji atandi kaje ko o manta fenna je na manke kata dictator ya karanje ako woko wakata karang Alpha Conde le bulu ako bida mune karang je na manke dictator yati al sala opinion fo mingela la miroti ale minjo koto president Barola futo Jine Conakry ako minati na manta Rwanda wolto manamani banku koto mi bedeni wala fakata dictator la bankoto baraman kuma o fanna damala akumata voters registration o fana Kenya lale ataje ko e ka dindun fana register le milialon ko mam futa sangita nin sai anin ayatandi minketa jimara fana koti ayatandi kaje ko president Baro man fenke o temanto anin kujima mi bedeni wala president Baro buka fenke na manke sino nin ko mi bedeni wala barenta fenkela mbo video tandlala alsa full video ni jubeno Give Thanks TV Gambia HD2 abe YouTube ni tara Facebook fana Give Thanks TV ibajela ani Ibrahima Jara e tolle interview soto e ka programme min kumandi the current reality alsa jubeno abe kumala bage video fele ala barka baga kairo kano fo
le project clean fo nyavode ala bungonya ala story builder mun lo mankama anala street light sola munke mankama wo drong let them come and tell me then I will mol munka diam mo nene manko do dintel andu nyaata wo mol munka diam e damalom ala jite kala deputy de still now they are opposing me andu hani sama nyin lota nye momo londi hani baromba butel so nyite ko lo jana ikafo alaji man do ko ke je me represent yes ndema woko do soto andu ndetala ndete fania fola moy kabrimbe campaign wala fom pareta nene man tra lorin sate to nga fom be nyinkela bari nga fe ngofe promise mba kela la
e be ka diamo député bon kono kela problème wol fadi
go to record let them go to parliament yata record they will see it from buka diamo on te diamo la itol ba jelale let them go to the record office at the National Assembly mol nga fe ngofe mfoje abebi jele nyi sulata wala alo mol nyamal la fela an ya ray kuke ku kendoke itol kaaje ku jawoti
so sending
baro let me learn itol nyanda mun complain na jimara la dingo mumbe sirim Gambia la mobile nyaato president Baro muye Gambia be malundi o ma itol malu mun ka of after promising Gambia ay malundi ledi because ni aji atara meeting ola kabe ke sinot o manke malot kunun le apota ja atara Guinea Bissau ko atata atemu baby president or what he call it ako atata wodo mu experience a dictator like Alpha Conde aremanta karandula adolto like Rwanda Paul Kagame nyole amanta jare kata Alpha Conde ako akata karanje ala akata dictator ya karanje wo manke Gambia la malot ito nyanta malla wala mumbe Gambia la nyala ikafo mu jimara dingote abe Gambia no malundi kan itol wo mammalu itol nte mu jimaran koti wo malundi baro ke president ya ita dulal tabe sinoka baro ke president hani sa jimara man any development sort anu baro la kodo Gambia la kodo be karfarim balol hani sa man fenke ay finte afo mole so itol ka diam doro ngaje Gambia be tenne alaji nyolu man do ko ibuka diam baro e mune diam baro e mune doku
Honorable, come on, some time back in December, Cabinet President Obitaka made the people stop. If Apiata, well, if the President Barola meeting to that, statements, kuma kangol mi yalon ko ye wala fo. Kamu na mosa for you were President Baro, kamo multi mi yalon ko mo kendo le mosa attribute wala anabe do ko ke kang ala banko. What have changed within this short duration? It was statements if our the president later you retracted back wala ya muru de kote.
Aye, jara politico. Amandia adiata. Gontol benga longo wato kabring baro kata jimar dia musiata. Dolu fanka for Alaji Tadale, GDC Bula. Mo jama diam, a lot of people approach me for GDC Bula, but it's difficult. It's difficult. For GDC Bula, what is on well, it's gonna be something which is very difficult. And Barrow as a president, Dol Wuluta Dulato, it's always difficult. Moli ye kumo for muyalonko aba kamfandila la wulu satet. Because meet the people to is his constitutional right. Manta je political and tata je puruntelo mujimara representative.
No,
in
you know, the statements that you uttered there were all politically motivated statements. I mean, yemen for je ya folenum President Barrow kayko jimaran kol ko ni kadunjan sutola. Next time ni bina yena tilibulo ebe findila le yebendung. You know, that way those are political motivated statements. I mean, you giving him hope that Jimara baby at la coma.
No. Ate alone Jimara be mantra. No,
but Jimara statement, no. Yeah, I will represent, honorable.
Okay, yes, I will represent Barry. Ate alone Jimara be malafal. I can tell you, 20 or 10%.
In fact, the MC member, Michael member said, Honorable Alaji so kanana sa President Barola akana sa President Barola party. At that point, tell us, munek afumoli, munek ketanung with foite close tanumbake President Barola corridor la wala nduma ala dinkranyina. What made you so close?
No, the neneman close President Barola.
That point, Honorable Mosa have a close tala obviously.
No, because then President Sita. Now, it will be difficult. Come sa nga mum foten. They more elect to represent them, and I was elected under the ticket of the GDC. So niya rambe GDC bulala. It will be difficult. I have to consult. That's what I tell him, and that's what I said during the meeting. You can see, sir, Kabring Adiamo that the former chief NPP kaponat adun Kabri adun landi jangabon. So, if I am to consult the GDC militants, Kebal Mumbije, and in the family, I'm not sure whether any of them will allow me to leave the GDC and go to NPP. But what I'm covering up for Janyanta Lonako, Atinyat. Because Ninga Momo console,
well, I have seen Omar Sise, you know, Kabiring I president or Mike Onyimuta or Dinkranindo, you know, you tell him, Kabiring Katlafel National Assembly, Alning Kajang, Alma Woke, and now you are seeing President Oman Fenke Jimara. You could have also taken the same opportunity, Honorable, and tell the president. Let me just learn. You could have taken the same opportunity. You have a president Oiko, Jimaran calls Jimaran calls, but all what you said to him, Jimaran call you support so that Koyanda cannot libul, Kakalna Suto, and those things like that.
Now, it will a pig jara, but even Jimara's problem, now be for je. From road, electricity, geo, nga be for je. In fact, that was my first statement. Cabrin Lord. Jimara la problem on our and on the same thing, Kau Munkumbo Parliament. Not only Jimaran Kol ko edun tilibulola, it cannot do sutola. Maybe they will a pig.
But what special? Kamunda President Barrow Prani si Alessi Tabul Kilonkon. At that point, I'm on special interest for Alaji Sowyana NPP.
Maybe alone nata NPP. That's gonna be a big plus for the NPP because Nya Jube, an opposition MP, Mumbota ate Frank Bota Dami. I bo patriota ala party join. That maybe he think that he's going to control Jimara, the entire Jimara. Odro.
So certainly you pose a threat on the president. Nina da support la in Jimara.
Ninata?
Yes, threat like pose but why should you allow the president Yalonko at ever made the people stall? Like the National Assembly, the 6 million naming approve e kaita bankumola problem olo. He wanted to use you as somebody me Yalonko ete mo deputy world. You come here for the support declare on a store or on a meeting sponsored by the state. No. That is a way of defrauding the state.
No, Jara. Ate Barrow ya lonne. Well,
you could have tell him, you know what, Mr. President, never made the people stall. On that note, inte manta sonna puriye ke moti mi alanko ngana support declare nyindla nyum jamman ke rally dinara meeting wala ke banko mol ke la problem moy.
Let me come meeting dulato now for jele when I was joining the GDC. Nenemam meeting or commanded that I'm going to the GDC. So if I am to leave the GDC, this is not the type of meeting where I will announce that I am leaving the GDC. Baro ya moile, momo nata ja moile. Ndetada je pour nyimu constitutional right I finti molu kan every ala mol jube ani mole kacha.
But that didn't happen. It a mol commandi, you know, ye mol commandi, purini ye kacha, and kanuman san ela keba, and others me along ko benuje. Kamem for walem, kamun dambe koma jankane fasal and statement all men after in that meeting were all political sentiments. Political
the entire nationwide tour. Alawo to be mu political. And
you were also complicit in helping the president.
No. I went there to represent the people of Jimar and to talk on behalf of the people of Jimar.
But had it been Yamira Niman close to the president corridor, Iman Sutianu president of corridor, do you think Kanuma would have that gut? About fit shuttle Nunkafoko, Alaji Sofela, can support declare President Barrow?
Barisa and Cabrin Kanuman Diam, the Jomale Tonyafu. I'm just asking, Kabrin Kanumai Wofo, Kabrin Nada, Akera Nyadi, 4 different mantraje. Afonya don't me like because he even called me a former MP of the GDC. Meeting Dulata.
But something must have transpired. A cool bantake, Janni meeting of a killer. What I tell you in that month.
There is nothing in Kanuman Nenemansi, Nakachan in court. Maybe they just saw me at the meeting and said, now he is cross carpet. Of having that polling station in Mankamankunda, Kabringa Moje Kasoran Hakilo Eoma. Because J told Bafolaha by Ribaro Botaje, Ni Momo Nata Dorong, Molte Monitola. They can do anything they want to do. So I keep eyes on Mankamankunda registration. In fact, the entire Jimara is only Mankamankunda Muya issue. Every day report all canal. And on the boy Mumbije, he is very smart. Somebody is very smart. And on ala diamo man si ate fengo fem fodrong, alon wole bekere. So he started sending me pictures of those dingol. In fact, one of them aketa bullila dingoti. Wo is less than 18 years. Hani ala ding muso is less than 18 years. Will be asorel. Then amam medorong ngaje that boy, that pa boy, because ngaje somebody wrote it on Facebook that one pa boy Barrow is less than 18 bulila dingolo masot, which is real. After 3 days ngaje ID card of intin ngaje social media. Wairinteko wo is less than that, and we are taking note. We have evidence. We will challenge the result to court. A new parade will challenge them to court. Along for silanta olava, the following day borta immigration itata ID card of print way. The ID card so ni ID card ning yalong niya a date munna ya print date kataragele, but a date ning reverse to January.
Oh.
Yeah. So baby caring, there is a lot of abnormalities. Kununko dorong. There were 2-3 people me along ko bota kasamas. One is I think Usman, the other one Abulai Sabali. The third one Kabrin Diamo Siata at a borta. Aborta. Then the other 2 people, Yela Ola Kaitol Sis, Iman Sonka Votas Kadi Walla.
But how will be access sort of no kanyadi la bari kamunda puru yes yeke motimi alonko yeta puru I sila dokula le kaito nyindil. It's either first attestation of bonde wala passport wala ID card. E kamun kaiti la bonde puru ka I sila mol convince ko etal de Gambians.
Yeah, recently I see a press release fintinde. Iko each party anyanta agent killing nesotola.
Yeah.
But I can tell you in Mankamang, NPP have 3 agents. Agent do kataraje ka formal ta IEC bulu ka samba alkalol adoma la shoko na kata filje. The rest of the alkalol mung ka voters registre no keta Mankamankunda it will be ka si bantaje. Except Musa Jao Muyalango, he is the younger brother of the alkalo of Mankama. I take a formal field ala shokon. Akataraje one of the NPP agent wo kana ka formal ta ka samba ya shokono I formal field da dimo la wife inta ina rangoka. So alon tapale start again. Because kunung ngamo the same Musa Jao a reactor na wo interview to. Bonte mbavula Musa ko before I talk janning ka diam nka evidence sotole. Musa, we work together. He was with the GDC andung Jao kundanko lomte musana ante muso kundanko sana umalumati. Dede Musa tinyala. But nyunku mantara ke kanganyama. This is not Jimara alone, it's the entire Gambia. I'm representing Jimara and the entire Gambia. And I'm not representing GDC drong. Jimara Bele represent Gambia be. Either you are NPP, UDP, or any political party, as far as Ibota Jimarale, these 5 years may represent, including Adam Barrow.
So
you see? So kabringa wo fo ari acta kontenga mum fa be manke tonyadi. Bari abe Senegal ni ala sonta.
So akamunda as of now, natana nunko ibe claim sol mem foka. As of now, atala record ali mo jelle soto mi yalon ko wal manyaka a voters card soto andu ya kayto nyindi la manka mankunda. As of now, ali mo jelle soto.
Ani aje malafika jema fo wato minam futa tan kata dami. Because last time diamta iborta last time kabrin diamta itol iborta itata isata ka voters card bondi tiningole with the immigration officers. The same people, I can tell you, kabrin diamta alon kelo ketanu manka mankunda. Itol damal tema. Kabrin diamo siara je dindingol reject over 16 of them. Ila agendo one Ibrahim Balde. Uraro ay formolta ko akata Gambisara pour ka birth certificate ñini wo dinungole yaye bari kabringa information o moy alon tol kasi nka information o be soto and some of those information are facts so kabringa o moy dorong ndefana nyanta mun kela ngawoke ngalo itata je ye murundi da imango soto
bar jama kabiri nyin kibaro yim fintita MPP la mol mi yalon ko waldi am ta kibar tala dole ikoy ko this is laughable comme nyimu fenen mi yalon ka bentel jel ndal man interest soto wala man nafa soto pour ka nyin kusi faare ko mi yalon ko illegal man tan dabule la akonyo including dushano aya fono ala kumol kono la ko natala nun ko be mol kanyela abe kala kambe dingol le fon be carte fayla wala be to opposition kanyela ta kala ko be mo bon la nam bantal be men fala wala
dube o folale bar itol fengo fembe kekan registration of foreigners, registration of diningol, abe NPP lo, wole ka wokedi. Inene maje UDP yake. Inene maje APRC yake. Inene maje GDC yake. Itol dammalom. Then ni lata ifan na, you will stop. You will stop. And on the same people, itol le kata anun round ka formal feel, ikafu if you are less than 18 years, 17 years. I have the forms. I share it sometimes back on social media. Kabri ko manke tonyari. Nara molbe woj. Say mune keta ni if you are less than 17 years, why did they write your name on those forms? That mean he left a kaitol ni laite. Say ni lata ifana, why are they doing that? Do kamumfo, do malon ya kamumfo. It only was citizens they are pulling back.
So it then what is the motive? The natara nunko ibe okay can commit ba allege kanyame wale ba fo kanyame mune motive why are you doing that? Muna nebe okay kan.
Because they know that they are going. New water that year. In fact, I can tell them let them start parking. Pour kadula nyimbula Gambia la sira onye ejebula. Ni ajebe obekela iman la ifan. Because ni la de fan na itol kamum fo nyami. They already won the election. Why are they doing those things? Which is not normal. Anin lua mantra nyola. Anin lua fam man kata nyola. Ni ara ila de fan na den ye obula. Bari iman la ifan na yalo neko karte fayo kanasi ni man woke ite win andung I can tell them if ni atra itata Senegal maki fan na di maki sat. Anala government be register ja ning election nata mol be boote la comme ça diningol mol be boote la in fact 30% they will not get it.
No,
I'm telling you.
You know we have seen instances that me along ko nyamena by election or me along ko aldi amudale ali afula albe win ale anni nata nan things torn apart anni nata nan pa yal gagné nyami along ka sangara tabake so ni ko bal gagné this time around is that not very simplistic.
Jara, that was GDC and NPP. And it's 34 or less than that, or 36. I don't think Nyamina la sate better bit all. And in Kerjarga, a ward and a constituency. Near in Fanya will Dulal Flow Bekafu. Dela Jimaral Betalala will to see Nyahu. So war and in Gambia is different. And war in GDC drone is different.